Hello friends, welcome back to Seema Hobbies. Today I am going to make black forest cake. This request came to me by my subscriber. Sorry I am doing it in a hurry, and in between I have also taken a help of my husband for cutting the cake layer. Decoration wise also I am doing it in a simple way. So let's start with the black forest cake. First grease the mold with the oil. I am using your tin. You can take any cake mold. Place a butter paper and grease it again. If you don't have butter paper, then just grease it and dust flour. Now keep it aside. Preheat the pressure cooker. Remove the ring and whistle. Insert a stand inside and preheat for 15 minutes on medium-low flame. Now in a bowl add 2 tablespoons of butter, two tablespoons of oil, 1/4 cup of curd, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. First I am going to add half powdered sugar, then later we'll adjust the sugar. Beat it nicely till it gets dissolved completely. You can use hand beater. Now let's add dry ingredients. Sieve all the dry ingredients, that is I am adding 1 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. Add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve all these ingredients. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, one cup of milk. I am going to add milk little by little. Mix well. Use cut and fold method to mix. Make sure that no lumps remain. Make a lump-free batter. You can check the consistency and adjust the milk and sugar. I have added here total 3/4 cup of sugar and a cup of 1 cup of milk. as later we will be adding sugar in a sugar syrup and whipping cream. You can use plain water also for this. Mix well. This is the perfect consistency for smooth batter. Our cake batter is ready. Transfer it in a mold. Tap it to remove air bubbles. Bake in a preheated pressure cooker for about 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low flame. Meantime, our cake is getting baked. Let's move to another step. In a bowl, I have added here 300 ml of chilled whipping cream. Whisk first slowly and then on fast speed. I am using here electric beater. I am adding here 3 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk it until stiff peak comes out. Now this is done. Turn the bowl and you can see the cream is not falling. That means it is done. Now let's make chocolate shaving to decorate the cake. I have taken here dark compound chocolate. Keep the chocolate tray on the top of the ice tray. Grate the chocolate with the help of grater or peeler. Now it is ready. Refrigerate cream and chocolate shaving till it refrigerate it till you are not using it. Now let's check the cake. Insert toothpick in or knife into the cake. You can see toothpick has come out clean. That means it is done. Take out the cake mold and cover it with cloth to prevent the upper surface from drying and allow it to cool completely. Now the cake is cooled down. Demold it with the help of knife. Separate the side of the cake. Turn it. Remove the butter paper slowly. Now you can see our super soft cake is nicely baked without any cracks on the top. No problem if your cake gets crack on the top, it is normal as it will cover after we decorate it. Now let's divide the cake into 3 layers. You can divide into 2 layers also. For sugar syrup, mix 2 tablespoons of sugar in a cup of water. Place first layer, moist it with sugar syrup. Apply some whipped cream. Add some chopped cherries. Press it lightly. Place another layer of the cake. Repeat all the steps again. Now let's shift the cake on rotating table. Apply some cream on the base. Now place the third layer of the cake. Cover the whole cake with cream. No matter if your finishing is not good, as it will cover with chocolate shaving. Now apply chocolate shaving on side. Press it lightly. I am using your star nozzle to make flowers. You can make any design of your choice. I selected simple design as I am in hurry. Fill the back piping with cream. Now I am going to decorate it with cherries. And dark chocolate shaving in the middle portion. Here I am using some edible decorative stars. So our yummy eggless black forest cake in cooker is ready. Refrigerate it before serving. Do try this recipe and let me know your opinion in the comment box. Hope you like this video. Till then, bye. Thank you. Keep watching Seema Hobbies.